My name is Manish Mehrotra, and today we are going to do another Indian accent dish for Makery. This is a very popular Goan curry, Goan prawn curry and Goan vegetarian curry. So why this curry? It is one of my favorite also, and this curry is done with raw mango even when the raw mangoes are not in season, because the curry paste has got the dried raw mango paste in it, and it gives such a nice tang to the dish that I really love it. And the flavor of that smoked chilies, it is not spicy, but the flavor of the chili is there. So it gives totally distinct flavor of coconut, smoked chili and the mangoes, and it makes it wonderful to eat it with the rice. So let's start. First we'll boil our rice. We have some boiling water. We have soaked our rice. We will drain this water and just put the rice in the boiling water. Stir it once and allow it to boil. Now we'll start with the curry. It's a very easy curry. We have this Goan raw mango curry paste. It's got onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, all the masalas and the smoked chili powder and the raw mango, dried raw mango paste. You just have to saute it for 15 to 30 seconds. Just saute it till the aroma starts coming. Now I can smell the chili flavor, but not the spiciness. I'm not coughing, I'm not sneezing, but the nice flavor of curry is going. Lower your gas, and now we will add the coconut milk. In the beginning you add half the coconut milk, so that you can really mix it properly without any lumps. Aroma of the sweetness of coconut milk. Now my curry paste is really mixed properly. Very nice. I'll add a little bit more of a coconut milk. Allow it to simmer for a bit. If your coconut curry becomes really thick, you can add 1 or 2 spoons of regular water. Do it on low heat, slow flame, because the food which cooks on slow flame is much delicious than on a high flame. My curry is almost ready. Now I'll add the prawns. I'll allow prawns to simmer a little bit. The prawns take hardly few minutes to cook. Now I'll add some nice strands of this raw mango into it. If your curry is becoming slightly thicker, you can add a little bit of water into it. Just So now we are going to plate our Goan raw mango curry with prawns and some steamed rice. So this is my Goan prawn mango curry with steamed rice. Enjoy.